Welcome to Munnar, the paradise of lovers, land of mystic mountains, and virgin beauty of the wooded valleys and seductive landscapes. Birds Valley Resorts is an ISO certified, eco-friendly resort strategically located at Kunchithani in Munnar. Conceptualized and operated by civil engineers and plantation owners with a keen business acumen and 3 decades of experience in managing acres of plantation, Birds Valley Resorts is an endeavor to bring modern man back to nature. Set amidst 12 acres of tea, coffee and spice plantation, as well as organic farming, Birds Valley is a self-sufficient resort built according to international construction standards. Couple it with the misty hills, green meadows and romantic interludes of Kerala's finest hill station, Munnar, and the holiday experience increases double-fold. A unique guest experience that perfectly balances urban luxury with the rustic charm of Munnar is the unique selling proposition of this much acclaimed resort that has been catering to guests for the last 4 years. Nature, at her most primitive, untouched and pure form, is preserved and showcased for the world to see at Birds Valley, thereby adding value to the destination Munnar as well as emphasizing the need to protect Mother Nature from further urban atrocities. It is this eco-savvy initiative that won Birds Valley several laurels from guests across the globe. Birds Valley is also the proud recipient of the TripAdvisor Certificate of Excellence 2013. Thanks to the steps the resort has taken to ensure guest satisfaction and total conservation of natural flora and fauna. Thank you.